Hi friends, good afternoon, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about the different option of a particular table in data SAP Data on Cloud. Okay, so we already learned how to create a space. We just recap how to create a space, how to create a table, what are the table we have created. We have learned like what are different connection. We also checked like how to create table from CSV file. We have created 4 tables in a CSV file. Now what we are going to do, we are going to explore different option of a table. So once we go to this, everything, all the tables, anything you are going to work, that everything will be in your this data builder space. So here is a data builder space. Okay, so once you click on data builder space, it will give you your space. Currently we are working on the space Y, so I'm just clicking on that. Now once you select a table, you can see your view and you can select the ER model as well, so we'll come later. You can select table, and this table you can see like we have created 4 tables: addresses, business partner, sales order, and sales items. Now I'm just going to do some changes in the addresses tables. Okay, so I'm just selecting this address table. I'm just click on that, so the table is got opened here. When a table got open, then you can have different things. First is the general properties, so it's address and data set. So it's a dimension, it's an analytic data set. You can dimension relational data set, so it's relation dimension, it's a dimension table, kind of master table. Analytic data set, it's a probably cube type. I'm not very sure so far what is the analytic data set till now. Okay, so let it be. Next you have 12 columns. Okay, and business purpose, you can create some description. This is for all the business addresses. Sorry. Same way the purpose is business address, and so on. So business contact person who is responsible for, and so on. Okay, now this table would like to store it in a disk, or you would like to store it in memory. If you would like to keep the table in memory, loaded in memory, just click on that, so that it will be sitting on a in memory space. And once it's sitting in memory space, it will be very easy to access. In general, in HANA or HANA, what generally happen, you have a storage in the in memory, and as well as you can store it in a disk space, right? Currently, once you create a table, it is generally created in a disk space, and once use this table, it, it will be pull the data from the disk space, and it will be sit in the normal in memory concept, in memory places. Okay, but here, once you click the switch is on the memory storage on, so that means you are ensuring that anytime once there's it is deployed, or once a system getting up, this table will doesn't wait for a call. It will be typically, this table will be selected and pulled and will be put in the in memory space, so that you can access it quickly. Okay, so this is the concept of table service in memory storage. Okay, and then it's fine. Third is business purpose, we have discussed. Table service we have discussed, and we have the decent deployed object. Okay, dependent object. So if you have a dependent object, like if you have a connection with this table, is a foreign child relationship, all those tables will be available over here. Sometimes you remember, like in you can create a table which is a check table. We have a value tables, which is generally pretty much available in concept of SAP. So if you have a check table or value table for particular field, those will be available over here. Okay, so this is a basic things how the table works. Okay, now click on save. Once I am saved, I need to do a deployment. So if I click on deploy, it will be deploying the tables. Okay, so it will be going to be deployed. Okay, I think you can remember how to change the tables data type, but let me show it once more, because it is a kind of important thing. So you can remember, you have changed it to I would like to change this country. Maybe the postal code is string 5000. I would like to change it to something like 500. So I just click on 500 and step change it into 500. The same way I can save. The same way I can change other places like country is staying 500. So I don't think it's a usage, I don't think it's required, it's a usage of space, so I would like to keep it as a 500. Okay, so I just click on 500. 500 is done. You can save it, but don't forget to deploy. Once whatever you have changed, that is saved purpose, but you would like to be activated or maybe available in the real space, you need to click on deploy. So once you click on deploy, it is actually getting activated and it is deployed to the container, so that these things will be reflect in your output or maybe in your data. Okay, so thanks for listening. Have a good day. We'll be coming to the next topic very soon.